in this video I will show you on how to install the latest versions of Blender 3D, which is Blender versions 2.8. Alright, to install is easy. Okay, what you have to do, you just have to go to the website, okay, www.blender.org. alright, and then on the main page of this Blender website you can easily see there is a dedicated button to download the latest versions. Okay, you just click on the button, select your operating system, either you are using Windows, Mac, or other versions, Linux or Steams or anything. Okay, you just select your versions. If you are using Windows 64-bit, just click here. Windows 32-bit, you just select here. Mac OS, you just select here. And if you are Linux user like me, you can select either 64 or 32 bits. Okay, and then once you download, okay, and then you install, and then this is the splash screen, the welcome page for the Blender 2.8. okay, it's stated here versions 2.8. okay, versions 2.8 is the latest versions of Blender, whereby before this I'm using Blender 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, the last one is 2.79. and what I have to say is the versions of 2.8 brings us a new designs of interface. Okay, they have revamped the whole interface, okay, from the colors. Okay, the colors have been changed to dark compared to light background before, and also they have changed on how the tools are arranged. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look. Alright, so here this is the default Blender interface. Okay, not much different change from the previous versions. Okay, except for now on top of here there are lots of new tabs. Okay, you have layout tabs, modeling tabs, sculpting tabs, UV editing, texture paint, shading, animation, rendering, pose, blah blah blah. Okay, and then on your left you have the toolbox. Okay, select box, select tools, cursor, 3D cursor, move tool, rotate tools, scale tools. Okay, I will inform on this. I will show you on these three main tools in the next video. Okay, on your right you will have this is what we call properties tool. Okay, in the properties there are lots of tabs. Okay, tools tab, rendering tab, okay, output tab, this is scene, layer tab, this is scene tab, this is world, this is object tab, this is modifier, and this is particle system, this is for physics, and this is object constraints, and this is object data. Okay, whereby each of these tabs contains their own sub menu inside. So don't be confused, don't be worried, because this is normal for Blender. Okay, there are lots of tools inside tools. Alright, so in here this is the main grid. This is the grid, this is the main view, whereby you can use your mouse. Okay, you can use mouse to zoom in, zoom out, just scroll in, scroll out by using your middle mouse button. Okay, scroll in, scroll out, and then if you press and hold your middle mouse button, press and hold, and you move your mouse around, so you can orbit your environment. Okay, your environment. Okay, if you press shift and middle click on your shift and hold middle mouse button, now you are doing some panning works. Okay, panning, P-A-N-N-I-G, P-A-N-N-I-N-G. Right, so inside this view, okay, you can see that this, you have grids, okay, grids, okay, you have axis, okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. How do I know? I refer to here, okay, green lines or green axis always refers to y-axis, okay, a red axis, red line always indicates x-axis, okay. Meanwhile, axis that from here, okay, from bottom to top or top to bottom is z-axis, is vertical, okay. Z-axis is supposed to be in blue color. All right, by default you will have this, also these three objects, okay. This is cube, mesh cube, okay. This is camera, this is lamp, okay. And by default this cube, mesh cube, is being selected. Once an object being selected, there will be an orange outlines to indicate that currently we are selecting the object, okay. To select object, okay, to select object, okay, to select the object, let's take this one, okay. We are using right mouse button, just click here, click, click, okay, right mouse button, okay, and then you just point to that particular object and then you just click, then see, now I'm selecting the cube, now I'm selecting the camera, and now I'm selecting the lamp. All right, so what can I do? Let's say after I've select the cube, I can move the cube by using this tool, okay, move, okay. And also I can select multiple objects by pressing shift, shift, shift. Now I'm select these three objects together. All right, so to deselect, press A twice. All right, okay, there, or Control A, okay, A or Control A, which one you like. For me, I'm using Control A. All right, so again, hold middle mouse button, you can orbit your scene. You press shift, you can pan your scene, your environment. And what else? If you right click on any objects, it appears another menu, okay, for different purpose. All right, so that's it for the first video. Okay, I've covered on how to download Blender 2.8 and a little bit functions of how to use your mouse. Okay, to select left mouse, okay, select object left mouse, okay. To deselect object, Control A, sorry, alternate A, alternate A, not Control A, I'm sorry, alternate A, select, deselect. All right, until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.